So hello there and good day guys. So welcome back to my channel, and as you can see here, we are on the ClickUp dashboard because today I'm going to teach you on how to use this website for your social media management. So here guys is the main dashboard of this website, the ClickUp. So this website will help you manage or organize your tasks or anything you want to be organized. So as you can see here, as we scroll down, we will be able to see here the personal list, the lineup. Then here on this side, you will be able to see here the home, and then the inbox, and then here is your space at this part. Then you will be able to see here team space, and then you can add here, and then see it here, the document. Here are the different kinds of views: the document, the form, the whiteboard, the folder, the from template, and then import. And then tap on that from template, and then you'll be headed here to the different kinds of workspace or the templates by ClickUp. And then you can see here, you can also search the template that you would like to use, and also choose a template types and then the complexity. So let's try to search for social media management or social media. So we cannot see here social media management, so let's try to search for social media. So let's try to erase this one and then change it to management. Here you will be able to see here the different management here, different templates of here, and then you can choose here depending on your liking. And then let's try to use this template guys named content management, and then you will be able to see here the description of this template. And then right after that one is you just need to tap on this use template here, so you can see here this blue button, and then here you'll be able to make a folder template which is you're gonna name it. And then after you name it, for example that is social media management, you will choose where would you put this folder. For example that is your team space. And then the import options, if you want to import everything or customize import items. And then after that one is import as is. And then if do you want to include archive tasks, so there are your three options: no, or you can include archive tasks, or include an unarchived task.
Then after you're finished guys, you just need to find this blue button again and then use this template. And then after that one is you will be directed to this workspace of you. And the next thing you need to do is to add a template here. Here you'll be able to see here your content management or the task management.
So as you can see here guys, we are now using the social media management, and as you can see here, we are able to use the task that from the template that we chose. Then you will be able to see here, and then don't worry guys, because you can still add a task here. You just need to tap on that one right beside the add button. You just need to click on that one, and then you can name your task depending on you. And right after that one guys is you can now edit your task that you have recently added. Here you can edit this task or rename it, and then you can also add a due date here. For example is we are gonna choose a date here. So this is the due date and this is the starting date. So we are given a 2 weeks duration, and you can also set a priority. Then these three dots is serve as the many options here. You can rename, add to, convert to, task type, duplicate, remind me, and then send email to task, merge, and then you can also see here the templates, and then archive or delete. And for example guys, if you want to delete something from your list, so you just need to choose a task here, and then find the three buttons or the three dots here, and then you just need to tap on that one. And then after you tap that one, you will be able to find here this delete. And then after that one guys is we can also add here another view. You just need to tap on that add button, and then you will be able to see here different kinds of views. Either you want list, calendar, board, table, document, or Gantt chart. Then let's try to choose this table. And then this is the table view. So you will be able to see here this type, and then you can also customize this view. You can rename it into, for example, that is the main table. Then as you can see here guys, you can now see here your tasks in a main table view. And then you can also choose this board view, guys. You just need to tap on that one. And then here is the board view, guys, of your task. So here are your different kind of tasks here. So as you can see here, you have a lot of tasks to do. So you can drag here and then transfer to the another one. For example, to that is in progress. And then you can also drag it here. And then right after that one is you can also drag down here. Then you can also add a task here. You just need to add on that one. So tap on that one. Then drag also that one. So it's very easy, guys. So as you can see here, you have a lot of group here and you can still add another one. So it's up to you if what's the name of your group and the color. And for example to this, guys, is you have a lot of groups here just like this. You can collapse some of your groups here, guys, like that. So for example to that is we would like to collapse this one and then this one and then that one and then that one, and that's it, guys. You have a collapsible option here, and then here you would like to click on that one, and then you just need to go back here, then scroll down and then tap on that 5 collapsible, and then depends on you what you will choose to be back on track. And on this section, guys, you will be able to see here different options. For example, that is you can search tasks, hide tasks, customize again your view. So these are the different kinds of views here. So it really depends on you, guys. So here are some of the views that you will be able to use. Then you can also set as default view, protect the view, or copy link to view. So here, guys, some of the features need to be unlocked by availing a premium plan. So going back here, we can add a task here. And then after that one is that's it, guys. So going back on this part, guys, you can see here the different options here, the different sections where you can see here the create items, and then open your task, and then open notepad, and you can also record a clip here, and then the new feature is create a reminder, and then create a document, and then here is the last option, the quick action menu. Then you can also ask the AI share this template, guys. So you just need to tap on that one, and then invite some of your members. You just need to decide on either you want to private it or not, and then after that one is you can click that share this view. And the next feature, guys, is this one. So the automations here, guys, you will be able to see here on this side. So you can add a automation here or select assignees. So this is how you create social media management, guys, using this website, ClickUp. Just like this video and please subscribe.